It's Bill here from Melbourne City Maintenance, and today we are at this glorious building giving it a fresh coat of paint because it's been at least 20 years since it was previously painted. It is so old that the stickers on top of the building that are on the sign writing are starting to turn to dust, and the paint is looking an interesting colour of orange in some parts. We're painting the underneath eaves because they were very discoloured and looking old, and you can see that discoloration in the paint on the second level where the weather has been deteriorating this paint for a very long time. Hopefully the coating that we give this building will provide another minimum of 10 years protection from the elements, and will give the clients a long-lasting finish so that the building looks great and they are able to release it to the next tenant. And here's the finished result. All the sign writing has been removed and new sign writing has been installed. The building is looking amazingly clean and sharp. We've brought this old lady back to life and given her a new lease on life, and now the client is extremely pleased. They've left us a 5-star review, and we are so satisfied to see the before and after results. It's such an amazing old building. And look at it shine. If you're looking for painting services, call Bill from Melbourne City Maintenance on 0403 162 374.